Let's click the Roblox application, click properties, click compatibilities, and make sure the disable full screen optimization or run the program as administrator. Both should be in turn on mode. Click apply and OK. Once complete, after the next step, click settings, click system settings, click display, scroll down, click graphics settings, and make sure the Roblox should be turned on in graphics. Right click and GPU perform. It should be depends on your decision. Maybe which drivers are using. It depends on you. If you not know means let Windows decide. You can choose let Windows decide. And optimization for Windows games. It should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. If it's not available means click add desktop app and you can add it by easy method. Come back. Open file location of the Roblox. Copy the address on the top hand side and paste the address. You can easily get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding after, you need to set the settings correctly. Once completing this, the next step, search for run. Type the following text, percentage local app data, percentage Roblox. Enter it. Click local storage. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click logs. Delete the files and folders inside the logs. Come back. Search for temp capture storage. Delete the files inside the temp capture device. Once completing these three things, come back. In the next step, you need to search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters, and you need to update the drivers. If you are using specific driver, you can update by using like this, or else you can go to the official website of the driver and you can download and install it. So these are the two methods we can update the drivers. Once completing this, come back. For the next step, search for CMD. Right click and click run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space /scan now, and wait for a couple of seconds. It will take a few minutes to complete it. It's verifying the entire files and folders in your drive. Once completing after, you need to restart your PC. Thank you.